Okay, so this will be our English episode for February 11, 316. Again, the black one represents the male vibration. And we will use another deck for emotions and feelings of each other. And then this pink one represents the female vibration. If you want to know what will happen to your relationship on or after, before or after their Valentine's Day, then book a reading so you have an idea. At least you're able to prepare, okay? Sorry for that. For male vibration, there's unconditional love. We'll see. For female, palm tree, wishing for stability and endurance and security of love, okay? So, at this moment, both of you are truly, madly, deeply in love with each other, flexible, and the passion is there. Self-love is there. So we will just have to shuffle this card for us to know what would be the messages for each of these people right here. So if you want to book for a full private reading, leave a message and do it right now so that you will have an idea of what will happen. Okay? So we will just have to get one card for each. And this will be for male. And this is for the female right here. So we'll see that one of what will be their messages for each other. For male, he says, be honest. Oh my God. Heart-to-heart conversations are necessary, and it is safe for you to talk about your feelings. So girl, you are challenged by boys to be honest. And let's see what will happen. For female, deepening. Oh, a relationship will finally deepen in the next few months, and you have been waiting for this. Okay, so I can sense another angle right here. Because if you are in a relationship right now, there is no such thing that you are asking to deepen, and will say finally deepen in the next few months. So there might be a third person aside from this guy. That's why he is asking you to be honest to him, because he senses there is something that will happen in the next few months. And that relationship of yours, that flexibility, stability, and security that you have been feeling is not for him, but for another guy or another person. Okay? So again, this is just a natural way of card reading. We don't know if this female, on the other hand, is undergoing a love spell, obsession spell. That is why she is triggered to have a different guy aside from this one, who is just asking to be honest because he has an unconditional love for this female right here. So if you think, guys, that your girlfriend, your wife, your living partners are having an affair, and you think that there might be a curse or a spell on her, you have to remove that before it's too late. Okay? So we will proceed with dark and light side of life. Thank you and good afternoon. And I would just like to grab this opportunity to inform all those invites to collaborate. Okay? If you want me to include your products, include your business to my daily basis of readings, you just have to message me. Okay? Thank you so much.